hey, to turn off notifications from the YouTube application on your Android device, you've got two methods. The first one, you can turn off notifications from exact channel. So we have to click on this notification button. And now if I don't want to receive notifications from this channel, I have to click on the three dots and now select turn off all from this channel. That's the name of the channel, the Wirtualna Polska. But if you want to mute every notifications from the YouTube, on your phone with the Android system, you have to open the settings and now you have to locate this tab. It's called the apps or apps. You have to open it and basically open the list of all applications that you have on your phone. Now you will have to scroll down and find the YouTube application, and from here you have to go to the notifications and tap to turn them off. And now you will don't receive any notifications from the YouTube app on your Android device. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.